Hey guys, I'm at the Museum of Indian Arts and Culture, and I'm gonna go learn about some turquoise. All right, so you're gonna learn a lot about turquoise in this exhibit. A lot of stuff you think you know, a lot of stuff you may already know, and stuff you would have never imagined. Maxine, you're gonna break some stuff down for us. So first, tell us the origins of turquoise.
Okay. Turquoise forms when water trickles through voids in the rock. Sometimes cracks, sometimes actually little holes, sometimes flows into a fossil form, and leaves behind copper and iron and other elements. What's really fascinating about turquoise is that it only forms in regions that are arid. If you have a lot of water flowing through the rocks, it washes away the precipitates.
Right, it won't leave those
exactly,
minerals. Okay,
exactly.
that makes sense.
So in the Southwest, you have something that stands for water, that's formed by water, and only where water is scarce.
Oh, ironic.
It's almost poetic.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, so one thing that I was really blown away by this exhibit, you know, we think of turquoise, especially in New Mexico, we take great pride in our turquoise, but it's found all over the world, there, even in ancient Egypt.
It is, and in fact, ancient Egypt is probably the first place that turquoise was mined.
Wow.
We have evidence that some of the Sinai mines were being worked 8,000 years ago.
Wow, that's incredible. Now, we've got some pieces here that we're showing. There are hundreds of pieces at this exhibit. One thing that we'll notice a lot, and I can see even here, the differences in colors, some bluer, some greener. What causes those differences in color?
The percentages of metals, basically.
Okay.
So if you have more copper, then you get a bluer turquoise.
Okay.
If you have more iron, you get a greener turquoise.
Okay.
And if you get more zinc, you get a yellower
Gotcha.
turquoise. And so you can play with those amounts of metals, and that'll determine what color you get.
Okay. I'm gonna say simulated. Natural. Simulated. Hey, I got it right. Treated. Yes! One thing that I think is really fascinating, folks, you gotta come down and see this exhibit, is seeing the scientific evolution of turquoise, the traditional, and also the different ways that it's used, and you can see all of it here at the Museum of Indian Arts up here in Santa Fe.